Today, I'm going to show you how to insert images into a Word document table step by step in a simple way that works for clean layouts, reports, worksheets, and professional documents. If you've ever wanted to place an image neatly inside a table cell without making the whole document look messy, this tutorial is for you. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and go to the table where you want to add the image. The key thing here is to click directly inside the exact cell where you want the picture to appear. If you click in the wrong place, Word may insert the image outside the table, so take a second to make sure your cursor is blinking inside the right cell. Once your cursor is in the cell, look at the top menu and click Insert. From there, choose Pictures. Word will give you a few different image source options, and this is useful depending on where your picture is stored. You can pick This Device if the image is saved on your computer, you can choose Stock Images if you want built-in visuals from Microsoft, or you can select Online Pictures if you want to search for an image from the web. If your image is already on your computer, click This Device, browse to the file location, select the image, and then click Insert. Word will place the picture into the cell automatically. In many cases, the image will resize to fit within the cell boundaries, which helps keep the table organized and prevents the layout from breaking. If the image is a little too large or not positioned the way you want, don't worry. You can click the image and adjust it manually. You may need to drag the corners to resize it, and resizing from the corners helps keep the image proportional. If your table cell is small, you may want to make the image smaller so it fits neatly without overflowing into the next row or column. Now, if you want the table to stay tidy, it's a good idea to keep your images consistent in size. That means using similar dimensions for each picture, so your table looks balanced and easy to read. For example, if you're building a comparison table, product list, or visual reference sheet, matching image sizes can make the whole document look much more professional. Another helpful tip is to make sure the row height and column width are large enough for the image you want to insert. If the cell is too small, Word may squeeze the image in a way that makes it harder to see. You can always adjust the table size by dragging the table borders or using the table layout options. If Word places the image in a way that affects the text or spacing, you can click the image and use the picture formatting options to fine-tune the placement. But for most simple table insertions, Word's default behavior works very well and keeps everything inside the cell. And that's really all there is to it. Place your cursor in the desired table cell, go to Insert, choose Pictures, select your image source, and insert the image into the cell. It's a quick and easy way to build clean, visually organized documents inside Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.